Okay, we are continuing. We are doing the second law of exponents. The second law of exponents states that when we divide powers of the same base, we subtract their exponents. So let's say there is m and there's n. Okay, so they say when we divide powers of the same base, we subtract the exponents. So it means it's going to be, I will keep the base, which my base is x, and I'll say n minus m. This can also be written as x to the exponent n divided by x to the exponent m. So guys, the division sign and the division line work the same way. So it's just going to keep the base and then n divided by m. It is important to note that the exponent of the numerator subtract the exponent of the denominator, not vice versa. Even if the exponent of the denominator can be bigger than the exponent of the numerator, you must just know that the order is important. We start with the exponent of the numerator to subtract the exponent of the denominator. I hope that is clear. That is all about the second law of exponents. So now, let me just do a couple of examples. I'm going to start with the first one. It's going to be 3 to the exponent 5 divided by 3 to the exponent 2. So what we're going to do, I want you to know that we know that you know the value of this and you know the value of that, but we don't want the value. We need you to explain the laws, to show us the laws. Oh, yes, do the laws. So I'm keeping the base, which is going to be to the exponent 5 minus exponent 2. And my answer is going to be 3 to the exponent 3. And let's try the other one. The other one is going to be 4m to the exponent 5 divided by 2m to the exponent 2. Okay, numbers are numbers. We are going to divide them. 4 divided by 2, it's going to be 2. And we're going to keep our base and we say 5 minus 2. And my final answer will be 2m to the exponent 3. And let's do another one. We can say 5 to the exponent 3 divided by 5 to the exponent 2. Boys and girls, I know you know that 5 divided by 5 is 1, but in this case, I don't want you to divide these numbers. I want you to keep the base and subtract their exponents. It's equals to 5 to the exponent 2. To the exponent 1. The misconception that I see with the learners is that learners do this. They have maybe, let me go back to this one. They have maybe 3 to the exponent 5. It will be written in this format. And learners would say 1, 5 minus 2. No, we don't do. This is wrong. This is wrong. We keep the base. Our base is 3. We keep the base, and then after keeping the base, then you will be correct and you subtract the exponents. I hope that is understandable, guys, and do not make this kind of a mistake, because I have rectified you before you do it. To the exponent 3. Okay, let me try just one last example. I can do 48x to the exponent 20 divided by 6x. Numbers are numbers, guys. We're just going to divide them. How many times does 6 goes into 48? It goes 8 times. I keep my base 20. Remember, when you don't have an exponent, you need to know that this x, it can be to the exponent 1 minus 1. And my answer will be x to the exponent, 8x to the exponent 19. I hope it makes sense, guys. That is all about the second law. I'll be back with the third law.